Assalamu alaikum. In this demo, we are going to give a brief description about the RPA technology or robotic process automation using UiPath Orchestrator. Here, as a normal user, what I will do, I will click here to start a job, click run, and I will use my account here and my PC, and will use as well the machine, and will use as well the host name, and just click start. During the process execution, let's explain what is going on. Here, I have made a robot that will do the sequence of some steps. The first step here, it will open the Acme web page, and if it is already logged in, so it will click here, log out, and then enter the credential, email and password, and then click login. And then after that, it will click work items to start extracting the table which will be working or implementing some processes here in this table. So let's take this chance to come back here. We are working according to a process design document, and this process design document acts as a contract between the client and service provider. Here, the whole description for the all processes are mentioned here in details and as well with screenshots. And the last thing here to be approved, and everything is mentioned as well for the scope and everything, and to be approved by the business analyst and business process owner and RPA solution architect. Let's come back here to our robot. Now it is extracting. We reach to the page number 15 for the table, and then it will do the next step, which will open the upload the queues into my orchestrator. So let's check here. This orchestrator acts as like a monitoring tool to monitor everything. Here it's starting uploading the items in the queues. Okay. After uploading all the items according to the process design document, it will open each item here and will extract the tax ID and as well the client name, and will click reports and download monthly report, and will enter the vendor tax ID, and then choose each month here starting from the month of January, February, and until the last month of December. And each item each month it will click download report. If there is a report, then it will download it. If there is no reports, then it will click OK, like this. And let's come back here to our queues and see the first one is in progress. There are 19 items in the queues, and each item, if we want to monitor the details for each item, we'll check the WID number and the type and the status, and everything we need to monitor here, we can add it as a reference. So our robot right now has reached to the month of November, and then the last month is the month of December, and then click download report, and after that it should do the Excel automation. So here in the back end, it is starting working on the Excel. Here it will open each report and will copy all the data from all the Excel files that has been downloaded here, and then will accumulate it in one Excel file, and will upload this Excel file after clicking entering the vendor tax ID, and then click there, and then select the report file and will enter it manually here in the file name. Click this PC and enter the file location, and then click open. And after that it will click upload report, and then we'll take this confirmation ID. It will take it and save it into a variable. because we need it in the last action or the last workflow for my robot, and we'll add comments and select completed and then click update work, and now the first item is updated successfully. Now it is starting the item number one, and this robot will take around an hour to finish the whole job. So let's come back here. The first one in progress, it should be successful right now because it has already done successfully, and transfer to the transaction item number two to be in progress. So let's check here. The last one is successful and second one, last one is in progress. So it will start doing the process again and again until finishing the whole job. Let's come back here to our job and let's stop the job right now. Let's click egg and thank you and assalamu alaikum.